Today we will discuss already almost we have completed tissues, plant tissues and animal tissues. Na? Very good evening. First of all, very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Today we will discuss about that worksheets of that plant tissues and animal tissues. Okay? Okay, na? Now see, I can read the questions, you can say the answers. Okay?
Sir, can you zoom that, sir?
I will read. My voice is audible to you now.
Yes, sir.
Apical parts of the roots and shoots consist of A. Apical meristem, B. Lateral meristem, C. Intercalary meristem, D. None of these. What is the answer?
Option A, sir.
Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next, second question. Meristem tissue responsible for the increase in the width of the plants is A. Apical meristem, B. Intercalary meristem, C. Both the apical and intercalary meristem, D. Lateral meristem.
D is a lateral meristem.
Very good. The cells enclosed the stomata are called epidermal cell, subsidiary cell, guard cell, cambial cells.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? This is
Guard
the
cells, sir.
this is called guard cell. Guard cell is the correct answer. Next, the simple permeated tissue that consists of the thick-walled, narrow, elongated dead cells are present. In which are the dead cells are present? Collenchyma, sclerenchyma, parenchyma, chlorenchyma.
Sclerenchyma, sir. Option B.
Actually in the parenchyma and collenchyma is the living cells are present. Only in the sclerenchyma is the dead cells are present. So that's why option B is the correct answer. That is the sclerenchyma. My voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
It is audible.
Yes, sir.
My face is visible.
Clearly, sir.
Okay, right. Coming to the point next. Short branched process arising from the cell body of the neuron is called.
Sir.
Short branched process arising from the cell body of the neuron is called.
What are options, sir?
Options they are given. First one is the axon, second one is the dendrite, third one is the, they can say that micelle bodies, and fourth one is the synapse.
Dendrites.
Actually you can see this. Okay. These are the branch-like structures are arising from that. These are called dendrites. Okay. These are the dendrites are arising from the cell body. Next question. So dendrites is the correct answer. Ligament is the strong and elastic connective tissue to join two bones each other, bones to the muscle, muscles to the bones, all of the above. Bones to bones which they can
Sir.
what is the answer? Ligament is a strong and elastic connective tissue to join what?
Bones to bones, sir.
Bones to bones, two bones each other. Answer is that two bones each other. Skeletal muscles are mostly attached to ligament, internal organs, cartilage, bones. Skeletal muscles are made up of attached to what? Bones.
Yes, sir.
Next, Permanent tissue derived from meristematic tissue, simple tissue, complex tissue, all of these. Meristematic tissue. Parenchyma cells are A. Relatively unspecified and thin-walled, thick-walled and specified, lignified, none of these. What is the answer?
Option A, sir.
Relatively unspecified and thin-walled. Next, collagen is present in white fibers, yellow fibers, muscle fiber, none of these. White fiber. Which of the following cells are the living cell? Fiber, sclerites, vessels, parenchyma. Parenchyma is the correct option. Very important question. Listen carefully. A nail is inserted in the trunk of the tree at a height of 1 meter from the ground level. After the 3 years, the nail will be move downward, move upward, remain at the same position, move side. What is the answer?
Upward, sir. Moves upward.
No. Remains in the same in position.
How, sir?
How they can move, eh?
It can grow, no, sir.
Plant will grow, but the nail is same in position, na?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Somebody is there? Ah. Now see, next question. The types of the epithelial tissue responsible for the digestion of the food material: stratified squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, and spindle fiber cuboidal epithelium. Columnar epithelium. And contractical proteins are found in bones, blood, muscles, cartilage. Contractical proteins are present in the muscles. Contractical proteins are present in the muscles. Okay. Next question. What is the next question? A person met with an accident. Okay. In which two long bones of the hand were dislocated. Okay. Which among the following may be the possible of the reason? A. Tendon break. B. Break of the skeletal muscle. C. Ligament break. D. Areolar tissue break. So that is the ligament break. What is that? Ligament break. A person met with an accident in which two long bones of the hand were dislocated. Bone to bone, this is the ligament is present. Next, which of the following are the involuntary muscle? A. Striated muscle. B. Smooth muscle. D. C. Cardiac muscle. D. Skeletal muscle. So actually, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are the involuntary muscle. Simple squamous epithelium present in lungs, liver, intestine, stomach. Simple squamous epithelium is present in lungs, liver, intestine, stomach. What is the answer? Lungs. Lungs. Next, which of the following is not a function of the epidermis? Protection from the adverse condition, gases exchange, conduction of the water, transpiration. What is the
Understand what is sir?
no. Which of the following is not a function of the epidermis?
Understand what is sir?
Protection from the adverse condition.
Sir?
Protection from the adverse condition.
How epidermis can conduct water, sir?
Gases exchanges takes place through the epidermis. Conduction of the water also epidermis. Transpiration also occurs in the epidermis, no?
Understand water through epidermis, sir?
Epidermis in that through that xylem and phloem where it is present.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Which of the following is not a function of the epithelial tissue? A. It covers outer surface of the organ and lines the inner surface of the cavities. Is it correct?
Sir, can you show that, sir?
What I am saying is it correct or wrong? It covers outer surface of the organ and lines inner surface of the cavity. True.
Yes, sir.
It protects the body from the injuries, chemicals and microbes. This is also true.
Yes, sir.
It may be secreting the nature. This is also true. Fourth one, it joins the various structure. This is the wrong. So that's why answer is the D.
Yes, sir.
Answer is the D.
Yes, sir.
Next, last one. Solid matrix cartilage consists of calcium compound, both calcium and phosphate compound. Cells are filled with the globules and sugar, protein and sugar. Answer is the protein and sugar. So option is the D is the correct answer. Next, coming to the point. State the one functions of that parenchyma. Parenchyma. So parenchyma store the food and waste product from packing from one place to the another place. One place to the another place. So this is the functions of the parenchyma. Next question. What is the second question? Can you read?
No, sir, I can't read, sir. Can you zoom that one, sir?
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Second question. Second question. What is the second question? What are the functions of the phloem? So you know very well. Phloem is the conduction of the food material distributed to the different parts of the plant body. Food is made in the day, especially for the leaves. That food is distributed to the different parts of the plant body through the phloem. It translocates food material from the leaves to the storage organ and growing parts of the plants. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, second question. Next, third question. What is the functions of the xylem? Xylem is the conduction of the water and minerals. With the help of the soil, they can roots are absorbed to the water and minerals. That water and minerals are distributed to the different plant body through the xylem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next. Fourth question, what is the functions of the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue helps in the growth of the plants, especially for the tip of the root, tip of the shoot. These are the meristematic tissue is present. So that's why where is the meristematic tissue is present on that particular area, growth rate we can see in that particular region of that plant, especially for the tip of the root, tip of the shoot. Yes. Next question. Next question. Name the tissue present in the brain. So already you know very well. In the nervous system. Nervous system already we are discussed in the nervous system. What we are discussed in the nervous system? In the nervous system, okay, especially nervous system, brain and spinal cords are present. Brain and spinal cord. Okay, these are the main important parts of the nervous system. In the brain, nerves are present. Nerves are the neuron is the structural functional unit of that nervous system. Yes or no? Account. Next question. Write the other names of the xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem together known as the vascular bundles or vascular tissue. Another name also you know very well. So generally these are the called. So generally phloem is called bast and xylem is called leptome. Leptome is the another name of that xylem. Bast is the another name of the phloem. Next question. Give the names of the following tissue concerned with the conduction of the food material. That is called phloem. Tissue capable of the cell division. That is known as the meristematic tissue. That is known as the meristematic tissue. Next. Next question. Give two examples of the tissue consisting of the vascular bundles in the plant. Especially already we are discussing xylem and phloem is present. That is called vascular bundles or vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem we can see in that especially for the pteridophyta onward. So where pteridophyta, gymnosperms, angiosperms that vascular bundles are present, so that's why they are called tracheophyta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the main functions of the sclerenchyma tissue? Sclerenchyma tissue provide the hard and stiffness of the nuts of the plant. And what is the epithelium tissue? Epithelium tissue is the covering a protective tissue of the animal body. State the types of the epithelial tissue present in the lining of the blood vessel. Squamous epithelium tissues are present. Name the two types of the process present in the neuron. New types of the cell, axons and dendrites. And what?
Yes, sir.
Somebody is talking, somebody is disturbing to you.
My brother says this. Yes, that's all.
Next question. So name the following minute pores are present in the epidermis. Minute pores are nothing but stomata. Stomata generally so these are the minute stomata. The minute pores are called stomata. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, what types of the tissues found in the shoot apex? What types of the tissue found in the shoot apex?
Apical meristematic tissues.
Meristematic tissue, apical meristematic tissue is present. Next question, do the roots of the plant continue growing after their tips are removed? No, because apical meristematic tissue is absent, so that's why if you cut that tip of the root, tip of the shoot, there is not seen in the growth of the plant. Next, mention the functions of the tendon. So, tendon function, especially tendons connect the bones and muscles connected together. Bones and bones, they can connect it together is the ligament. Bones and muscles, they can connect it together with the help of the tendons. Next question. Write the functions of the squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium, lining of the skin and kidney tubules and mouth, blood vessels, lungs of the alveoli, especially this squamous epithelium. These are the protected these are the parts protected by the squamous epithelium.
Yes, sir.
Next, write the functions of the fluid connective tissue. Blood and lymph is called known as the fluid connective tissue. Blood transport oxygen, proteins, salts and hormones to all the body parts. So that's why blood is called fluid connective tissue. Mention the functions of the erythrocyte. Erythrocytes is called red blood cell. Red blood cells are helpful to the conduction of that oxygen to the different parts of the organism. Production of the red blood cells are called erythrocyte. These erythrocytes are helpful to the conduction of the oxygen to the different parts of the organism. Next, here very important. In the following questions, SSN and A and reason all have been put forward. Read the following statement carefully and choose the correct alternative forms of the following. A.
Sir, please, this one, sir. Zoom this, sir. Can you zoom this one, sir, photo?
Okay.
Zoom it, sir.
The,
I can't see that, sir.
okay. Is it okay?
Sir, can you do some work, sir? Yes, sir.
Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
A is the both assumption and reason are true, R is the correct explanation. B both A and R is the true, but R is not correct explanation A. C is the A is true, R is false. D is the A is the false and R is the true. So A, roots do not grow after their tips are removed. True or false?
True, sir.
This is the true. Next, when the tips are removed, apical meristematic is also removed. This is also true. So explanation also
Option A, sir, both A.
correct. So that's why option A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Second question. Surface of the skin is the impervious to water and skin protect the body. This is the true. And surface of the skin is covered by the stratified cuboidal epithelium.
Yes, sir.
So option
A.
A. Next, hemoglobin is said to be the conjugated protein. True or false?
True, sir.
It is composed of the protein called heme and non-protein iron 4-pyrine complex called globin.
True, sir.
muscles.
True, sir.
We cannot move or stop smooth muscles at our will. Working of the smooth muscles in under the control of the autonomous nervous system. Despite losing nuclei, the mature seed tube cells remain alive and function. Seed tube cells are actively transport the sugar and thus do not need adenosine triphosphate to do so. They tend to be originated from the same mother cell. In some plants like desert plants, epidermis has thick waxy coating of cutin in its outer surface.
True, sir.
Desert plants maintain their water quantity and help them to not dry. So that's why option.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Striated muscles are also called skeletal muscles. True or false?
True, sir. Or false?
True. They are mostly attached to the bones and help in the body movement.
Yes, sir. False.
True. So that's why
Option A, sir.
here next question. The growth of the plants occur only certain specific region. So true. Next, the dividing tissue, also known as the meristematic tissue, it is located only at the specific points. This is also true. So that's why option A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Next question. Meristematic tissue of the dense cytoplasm and no vacuoles. So this is also correct. This is also correct. Meristematic cell divide frequently and give rise to the new cells. Vacuoles causes resistance in the cell division as it is full of the cell sap to provide the turgidity and rigidity of the cell. So this is also correct. So that's why next question. Blood is called fluid connective tissue. Why it is called fluid connective tissue?
True, sir.
True only. Next question. Blood has a fluid matrix called plasma. The plasma in the blood is called the major component of the blood is called water.
True, sir.
So explanation is correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
So that's why this is true, this is true. So both of them correct. So that's why option A is the correct answer. Next, tracheids and mesols allow the plant to transport water and minerals. Actually, you know very well. In the xylem, What are the components are present in the xylem? Especially, first one is the tracheids. Okay. Vessels. Second one is the vessels. Okay. Third one is the xylem, parenchyma, xylem, parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Yes or no? These are the parts are present in that xylem. So, except the xylem parenchyma, remaining all are the dead cells. Remaining all are the dead cells. Only xylem parenchyma is the living tissue. Here, what he is asking? Tracheids and vessels allow the plants to transport water and minerals vertically. This is true. Tracheids and vessels are the tubular structure. This is also
True, sir.
so. That's why A. Xylem and phloem are called examples of the complex tissue. Yes or no? Yes or no? Xylem and phloem is called complex tissues. Complex tissues. Why? Because these tissues are made up of more than one cell. Is it correct? Yes. So that's why already you know very well. In the plant, okay, two types of the tissues are present. One is the meristematic tissue. Second one is the permanent tissue. In the permanent tissue, again two types of the tissues are present. Simple permanent tissue, complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue made up of only one cell, and complex permanent tissue made up of more than the one cell. Simple permanent tissue, parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem. So that's why option A is the correct answer. 12. Next, 13th question. 13th question. Materials are exchanged between the epithelial and connective tissue by the diffusion mechanism. Blood vessels are absent in the epithelial tissue. Materials are exchanged between the. These both are the true. Both are the. This is the true, and blood vessels are absent in the epithelial tissue. This is also true. So that's why explanation is not correct. So that's why option is the B is the correct answer. So next, two bones are connected to each other by the types of the connective tissue called ligament. This is the true. Ligament is more elastic and has the considerable strength. This is also true, but explanation is not correct. So that's why option B is the correct answer. B is the correct. Next, fat storing adipose tissue found below the skin and between the internal organ. This is also true. The cells of this tissue are filled with the fat globules. Storage of the fat also lets act as a insulator. This is also true. Both of them correct explanation. So that's why option is the A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. So up to that 15th moment now. So next question, muscular tissue consists of the elongated cells also called muscle fiber. This tissue responsible for movement of that in our body. This is the true. Muscles contain special protein called contractile protein which contract and relax causes to the movement. This is also correct. So that's why Option is the A. Next, skeletal muscle is also called striated muscle. True. And skeletal muscle show the alternative light and dark bands are striation when styled appropriately. So both are true, but is correct explanation also. Next, the functional combination of the nerve and muscle tissues is the fundamental to the most of the animal. True. The combination of the enables of the animal to move rapidly in the response to the stimuli. This is also true, but correct explanation is not. So that's why option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the signal that passes along the nerve fiber is called nerve impulse. This is the true. Nerve impulse allow us to move our muscles when we want to. This is also true, but correct explanation is not correct. So that's why option B is the correct answer. Next.
Yes, sir.
So this is the last and but not least. Okay, hemoglobin is said to be conjugated protein. This is the correct. It is composed a protein called heme and non-protein iron 4 complex called globin. Both of them correct, but correct explanation only. So that's why this is the A is the correct option. Okay. So here, so this is about that total information about that tissues of the plants and animal. Any doubt about the plant tissues and animal tissues? Akansh?
No, sir.
So are you understanding biology easily?
Yes, sir.
Any problem about the biology?
No, sir.
So the fundamental unit of the life is over. Okay, second one is the plant tissues and animal tissues over. Next class we will continue to the another new topic. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any doubts regarding to that, please ask to me. Okay, without freely. Okay, don't shy, don't feel nervous. If you have any doubt regarding to me biology, you can ask to me questions in the free of the state. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
shall I close the session?
Sir, is there any test tomorrow, sir?
Tomorrow there is no test none.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next week we have maybe.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Alright.